Welcome to the Quick Step Academy. My name is Nathan Davis and I'm going to show you how easy it is to measure up your own home in order to take advantage of our new floor to your door contactless service. Okay, let's begin. To calculate the amount of square meters you're going to need for your home, we need to first begin by measuring the width and the length of your room. So let's measure the width. And we have 3.32 meters. Next we measure the length. And we have 4.15. Now we times those two measurements together and that will bring us out to 13.78 meters, or squared for the area. Now in your home, if you're laying in an area like a kitchen, you're going to have kitchen cupboards. Now underneath your cupboards you will not be laying flooring there, so we need to subtract those areas out. Now we need to allow for cuts and wastage. We need to allow for about 5%. We can easily calculate this out by taking that last total, 13.78 square meters, and timesing it by 1.05. And that gives us a total of 14.47 meters squared. Now that we have the total square meters of the area, we'll need to round up to the nearest whole pack. And you're done. The good news is that if you have any difficulty with any part of this, your local flooring retailer can assist you every step of the way. You'll find their details on the participating retailer list of the Floor to Your Door section on our website.